Patrick, this is all about safety. A smoke detector provides a warning to people whether they're asleep or awake. Firefighters want to make sure that everyone has that first line of defense so they're able to stay safe.
Fire department.
Milwaukee firefighters going from house to house, knocking on doors or windows to install free smoke and fire detectors.
We can't stress it enough. You must have a working smoke detector in your home.
This push after 3 recent fires in Milwaukee.
Please be aware that there are reports of a subject trapped in apartment 8520.
November 19th, 9-year-old Aria Jock died after an apartment fire near 76 and Brown Deer Road. Firefighters say there were no working smoke detectors inside. Monday morning, 5 people escaped a fire near Union and Greenfield Avenue. 12 News captured video of the flames shooting through the roof. A tenant said the home had no smoke detectors. Also no smoke detectors according to fire crews in the latest fire happening late Tuesday night, killing a man and leaving a dozen others displaced. This fire near 11th and Mineral. The same neighborhood where fire crews passed out detectors hours later, hoping to potentially save lives.
The smoke alarms are going to be your first line of defense, essentially, if something happens. When you're asleep, you can't smell smoke.
Now, Kristen, Milwaukee firefighters have been going door to door for years, checking for and installing smoke detectors, but there are other ways for people to get those free alarms.
These smoke detectors are always available. Firefighters have them when they respond to calls. They also have a hotline. You can call a number and they'll come out to your house and install a smoke detector for free. And we have information to that. Just look for this story on the 12 News app.